Okay, as you see, we are about to enter the market today, and actually, we missed a very nice trade. We were looking on this for last week, and we also tried to go after this one, but it didn't give us the opportunity. Anyway, we had our limit here, and it actually got hit before because our limit was right here. And as they say, you should place your entry where the must put their stop losses. That's actually what we tried to do this morning, but on MT5, our stop loss was maybe right here. Our take profit was like, I don't know, somewhere here. 1 to 4 was also possible. But because of the spread, it didn't got hit. It's very unfortunate, and yeah, it gives me like a little bit of FOMO maybe. And I tried to enter around here and again, but the mark was too quick. And anyway, now we're gonna discover and look at this chart if GBP Swiss franc gives us an extra opportunity, because it is right now at the point where we actually expected a reaction. We also would have expected a reaction right here. I think internally you can see a little hiccup on this area. What actually we thought going to happen. We actually wanted to have this reaction over here to maybe enter, because we also draw the GAN box over here to enter on the 50 level, but also that didn't happen. We missed a really big opportunity, a nice opportunity. I was looking live at it and I didn't want to put my FOMO in and enter directly, like I need to be in this. It's like a FOMO kind of mindset. I didn't want to do that. I just wanted to be patiently. And well, for the data, actually my trade got hit, but I didn't got any profits with it. Anyway, we need to stay sharp. We cannot let this interfere with our mindset. Our target might still be on the way up. Maybe we go all the way back up until this highs, because we're actually in a low area. We broke our trend right now. We make us a low, high, higher low. So if we're gonna make a higher high, we maybe actually already do, and of course we see always this reaction over here. So the trend kind of shifted. So what maybe we will take a look back first on the 4 hour. We took already more trades. We took this nice short over here. We we had a stop loss over here because we were too eager to go in. We had some nice trades over here in the past, but the short was very nice because we hit this resistance level, and that's why I thought, okay, I'm gonna look very good into it. If there is like an confirmation to go short, and that's actually what happened. And for me, this was a very strong area of demand, because I really wanted to let the price come over here. And also here we have an area of liquidity which has been taken out, and that gives us the opportunity to go long. But unfortunately, last week we also got stopped out because we placed our stop loss too narrow. It's a mistake last week, because we already entered in this zone. Very bad entry because of I was not patient at all. But right now we got our breakout, and now we will wait until the price will yeah, just stay here for a little while. We will draw our GAN box, and hopefully it will come back around the 50 zone. Actually, it is a strong. It already reacted here on this demand zone before, so to have another interaction would be very good. I don't really know yet what's going to happen, of course, but we have our strong push. We really had that right now. So we're gonna take a look back at the 1 hour chart, and what we see is the strong reaction over here on this supply zone over here, which created another supply zone over here. We have some liquidity here. It's taken out. So right now we want to wait for a reaction down, maybe at least until the 50. We left some liquidity here, as we just saw on the 15 minutes, a little hiccup in the chart. So possibly we will wait until the price will be back there. If we're gonna enter right away underneath this liquidity low, I'm not sure. We need to find our bigger target zone where we actually want to enter, or maybe we will just wait until the price is below this liquidity, and how it will react. Maybe we can answer on that reaction. Um, for me, it would be very nice if we can also take out the high over here, at least until this place. So if the price will come back over here, sometimes we're still looking for a discount. We have a 1 to 6 reward right now. That's not really necessary, actually. But I think we will just wait until the price will come back over here. Of course, it needs to hang a little bit for some time over here. We will place our alert over here until the 50 sun will be hit, because also this area, it is there's a lot of volume over here, so it is possible that the price will test back over here and then go back up. So we will just wait patiently. The price action is actually very nice, to be honest. Yeah, so that's what I'm waiting for. Anyway, um, I don't want to do any crazy things. We missed this trade, really unfortunate. It was a very nice opportunity, but yeah, as you see what happened here when the market opened right here. I don't know where it actually was, but we just didn't got hit entered. It's very unfortunate. We will go to the next pair. We had our plan on EU, and let's yeah, this was our take profit of last week. Very happy with this. uh it was not really necessary to cover this high. Maybe we already had a break of structure over here, and we reacted a lot of times on it, and I stayed in. Yeah, I'm very happy with this trade, to be honest. um let's just remove, because we already got our data in here. Let's go back to the 4 hour first, because what happened, we had a massive run up. Yeah, I think on the daily probably you can see some yeah, where we in this, like it's very nice actually on the daily, because we have here our here also a kind of demand zone, but here is liquidity. Liquidity has been taken out. It almost hit the, it hit the demand zone, so that's why we got maybe the confirmation to go back down. So we go back to our 4 hour chart, um, and then we will take a look. I really need to fix my mouse. I don't have it. It broke. Anyway, what is happening now? We are currently in a downtrend on the 4 hour in the last leg. But does that mean we want to enter right away from the high? It did not really come. We have our small reaction over here, maybe internally. So we will take a look what is really happening here, because shorting right now for me it's not really good opportunity. We have maybe our demand zone over here. We have some liquidity here, so for me it will be a really nice opportunity if we take out this liquidity and then go back down. So that's why I will have my short over here. Maybe cover this high, and yeah, already this here, this entry already has been played. um, so we just wait until the price will come back over there. I think it's a very nice opportunity. Maybe I will place my limit anyway on one of my swing accounts, because I really expect EU to go more down. And if not, we will just react on what the market is showing us. We will respect the market. I don't expect anything of the market right now. I just try to observe the market. What are the opportunities? I don't expect to have an opportunity every day. My opportunity already was here, and I'm not really sure what's about to going to happen right now. I really want to go in right here. Yeah, we have our reaction right now on GBP Swiss franc. Um, we actually also were taking a look on the bigger scale on GBP Swiss franc. We had our stop losses here. This is a front run. on my take profit, and then we got kicked out. It is what it is, unfortunately. We also had our profit over here. On the bigger chart, we have those little boxes. I can actually, yeah. Um, we had a reaction on this demand zone. We take out here some liquidity above the demand zone, supply zone actually. We can go more down over here. Also, as we look to the euro index, what we already looked yesterday, is very likely to go down with the euro. Um, but we will see. Um, because we have our nice kind of blocks over here, and it is responding on it. I wouldn't be surprised actually, because we have here our liquidity highs. So, and we have our demand zone over here in this area. So actually, I also want to wait until the price might come back here, and then we have our reaction, so we can go more down. Don't want to cover this high all the way. We will place our alert. Maybe later on we will take our limit entry on the 4 hour. This is. I don't really want to go into any scalp right now. I don't. Also, I'm also not seeing some scalps at this point. And yeah, for me, this is a plan on EG. What do we have else? Yeah, gold. Gold is insane. It's yeah. There's also what to expect. After a big rally up, we also expect just a massive correction. Yeah, it is actually insane. It's really insane, but it's also logic. So to test over here, we have now a strong reaction, to be honest, because right here we had like a minor reaction, but we went back down. It's actually the break of structure. We have minor reaction where people could be fooled in this week, and then the chart will open on Monday again. So right now we have actually a strong reaction. We will see what we can do with it. Um, it's also because we took out liquidity over here, this zone. So that's why the strong reaction over now. Uh, to get an entry might be a little bit scary. So we gotta yeah investigate this part of the chart. We have our swing low over here, and this is maybe the last swing high. This is also a low, which broke it again. We set our low here, and then we got back down. Okay, this is a really interesting one because we also get here like a minor swing high, and this is the last. No, okay, this is the last push to the low, which actually causing this low, and this actually broke now. It's like a tiny market structure shift. We can draw the gam box over it. Actually, we want to wait until the price sticks here for a little while. We will get our reaction back into the 50, and then until we want to see our rally up um, from that 50 to this area over here. Um, if that's going to happen, I want to see taking out. This is a low. So this may be a nice area to enter this trade, but I don't have any confirmation. This is a nice place to cover with a stop loss, but I want to actually target a 1 to 3 risk reward. So I'm gonna place for this time, because we have a strong reaction. I don't want to go below our low. So this is our plan on gold for now. I might take this entry on my scalp account. Yeah, so we'll see what's going to happen. This is our plan for gold. I don't want to take too many plans. This is actually most of it, and yeah, we'll actually see what is going to happen over here. We need to be patient. Swing high, swing low. We want to go back to our 50 uh, underneath this liquidity lows and go back up. So we don't want to go all the way to our massive discount zone. This is something I would really expect. Um, yeah, this is also just my very first video I post live, my live trading. I just really want to follow my plan. I don't want to hunt too many many pairs, and I'm gonna share my journey in forex trading. I'm currently 10k funded. It's not going too quick yet. We have had our losses already, but this is my way to stay accountable and to prove that it really can happen. The DXY is showing a reaction as we could expect, of course, in this area to go down again. That's why we also expect to go EU a little bit back up, and same at the Euro index. We can get our reaction over here, so what might cause a bit of a reaction also back up with EU. So I want to wait um, for a little bit. I think it's a very nice to wait actually. Um, So, excuse me, maybe for my English. I'm just trying my best. I try to get out of my comfort zone. I try to show my results. I really want to believe that I can achieve whatever I want. I want to focus on the process, and I will take you with me on this journey. And hope you liked it. Hope you like my analytics and my English, of course. It will get better over time anyway. Hope you enjoyed the video. Don't forget to subscribe, and I will see you in the next one.